guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing for April. So my box did just come in the mail today, and I'm really excited to see what's in it. I don't know what the spoilers are. I have no idea what's coming in this month's box. I don't even remember if I got to choose my item because I wasn't paying attention at all this month. This month flew by, so I'm really excited to see what we got. So when I open up the box, it looks like this. We actually got bubble wrap this time, which is quite surprising for Boxycharm because, as you guys know, Boxycharm always sends their boxes just like haphazard thrown together and things always break. So we have the card with all of the list of the pricings on it. So this is Boxy Springing Revival, I guess. So that's what it looks like. It kind of looks fitting for Easter. It's very pastel-y. So the first thing I see is a palette. So the palette is on the top. So usually I go through the whole box and the palette is like the last thing that I pull out, but it was on top. So this is from the brand Beauty Bakery. So we did get a Beauty Bakery palette, and it is the Sour Ya Doin' palette. So I'm assuming it's gonna be like a neutral yellowy based palette because that's just the theme that I'm assuming. I've never actually seen what this palette looks like though, so I have no idea and I'm just guessing. Why won't it come out of the package? Okay, what the fuck? I don't understand why they have to put palettes in packages that don't fit them. Okay. This is really annoying. Get out. Here we go. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. So I have no idea. Oh, wow, that's actually a really cute palette. It's like a sunset almost. So it looks like this. It is a very, very cute palette. I'll definitely try this out and do an eye look. It's probably more of a neutral toned look that you're gonna get out of it, or a sunset look, but the packaging is really cute. I really like the little lemons all over it, and honestly it's not the worst color story that we've ever received from Boxycharm, so I am excited to try this, and I think this is the first Beauty Bakery item I'm actually going to be trying. This palette retails for $38. So it says, these shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be supple. Sour Ya Doin' is perfect for spring looks, date night, or even a holiday mixture. And it retails for $38. That's not bad. It's a really, really cute palette. If I don't end up utilizing it or using it, one of my friends will definitely steal that from me, but it is definitely cute. And the next thing I see is a Brime Volume, I can't read French. I don't know what this is. Instant Volume Leave-In Mist with rose water. So an uplifted roots and fuller length. So it is a instant volumizing leave-in mist. So this lightweight mist produces a volumizing veil so roots look lifted and lengths appear denser. Thin, fine, or flat hair feels thicker and full of body, while the natural hold it delivers makes it quicker and easy to style. All right, so it is a leave-in volumizing spray, and it is from the brand Christopher Robin. That's kind of a cute name. Reminds me of Winnie the Pooh, and it retails for $39. And it says this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with bamboba leaf extract and Alligio elements from seawater, this mist helps enhances hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumizing look. And it has rose in it. It smells like old lady perfume. I'm not the biggest fan of rose, so if you really, really like the scent of rose, you may really enjoy this, but I'm not really into rose. So that is a very, very strong scent, and I do not know if I will actually use that because that is way too strong. I don't care for that kind of scent when it comes to like hair or skincare. Like, I don't need scented things, but I will definitely try it out. But if I don't end up liking it, then I will give it to one of my friends. But it is a very, very strong floral scent. So if you're not into floral scents, you will not like that. And $39 is quite expensive for a volumizing spray. And the next thing is the Viseart Professional Makeup Paris. So this is the invisible powder. Looks like this. I've never actually tried Viseart before. I see them all over Instagram, and a lot of the people that I follow use Viseart, but I've never actually tried them myself. It is a transparent setting powder. So it just looks like this. It literally just looks like a white transparent powder. So this retails for $35. So Viseart Ultra Fine Flashback Proof Translucent Setting Powder creates a soft matte finish and works on all complexions. For this long wearing formula, absorbs oil, blurs fine lines, and increases the longevity of your makeup. Apply with a brush or a velour puff, focusing on the T-zone or any area of concern. I'm not gonna use this. I don't like powders. I don't use translucent setting powders. If I'm gonna set my makeup, I'm gonna use a setting spray. I have really dry skin, so this just wouldn't work for me. So I'm gonna pass that along to one of my friends. I really don't like it when Boxycharm sends us transparent powders like that because I just won't use it. And we've gotten multiple of them in the past and I'm not even through those ones because I don't use them. So it's just kind of a throwaway item. Viseart is a really expensive brand though. $35 for a setting powder is pretty much up there with like Laura Mercier. And I still have my Laura Mercier powder, so I just don't need that. So that wasn't really an item that I was that excited for. The next thing is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara Pen. So it says pull me. Okay, it is. Oh, that was satisfying. All right, so this is a mascara, but it comes in like a really, really slick packaging. So this is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. What does it look like? So it is a very, very thin wand, very, very small, very different than what I usually go for with mascaras, but I'll definitely give this a try. I definitely need a new mascara, so this is an awesome item to get. So this retails for $15. This flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil so your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in this formula naturally enhances every single lash for 3 times the volume, and it only retails for $15. So that is very inexpensive, and I'll definitely give that a try. And the last thing that we got is a eyeliner. So this is a 24-hour waterproof Persona liner. So it came in a packaging like this. I don't know why it needed to come in plastic like this. Why couldn't it have just come like this? So this is the shade black, and it is just like a pencil liner. And it is pretty pigmented. So I'll definitely try that. I needed a new black liner. I have been using my Vault from ColourPop liners quite often, so I definitely needed a new one because I am running out of that one. So this is the Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Intensify your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day or all night wear. Featuring a smooth blendable formula, this 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline, and it retails for $14. So not too expensive, pretty much on par what I would pay for a eyeliner. I usually get my eyeliners from ColourPop or like e.l.f. and I think they're like $10, something like that. So not too expensive. So pretty much everything we got in this box this month was makeup related and or hair care related. So that's really awesome. I'm really glad that we didn't end up getting like a crazy amount of skincare this time. We didn't get any skincare, which is really awesome because I have way too much skincare in my collection already that I am happy to receive a complete makeup hair box. This one I'm not the biggest fan of. I don't like the smell of it. So this is the one item that was not like makeup related that I wish I didn't get because the scent is really, really strong. It's a very strong floral scent and I don't really care for floral scents. I'll put the total of the box on the screen here for you guys because I don't actually have my phone in here with me and I can't calculate it for you, but it was a fairly decent box. It honestly had a lot of items in it that I will definitely try out. I'm really excited to try the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is really, really pretty, so that's a very exciting item. I'm gonna pass this along to one of my friends and I probably will pass this along as well, maybe to my one girlfriend who really likes floral scents, whereas I just don't really care for them. But this month's box wasn't actually that bad. It's not the most exciting box that we've ever gotten either though. It does have a lot of beauty related items in it that I have been like preaching and preaching and preaching, saying that I'm so sick and tired of skincare related items and I want makeup. So we finally did get a box that was stuffed full of makeup items, but none of the items that we really got were that exciting. It was like mascara, eyeliner, transparent powder. I don't know. I'm just not wowed by this box. I'm honestly on the fence, like I say quite often, about canceling Boxycharm. One of the main reasons that I have not canceled Boxycharm is because of the pop-up shop and like the random sales that they have every single like month or 2 months, whereas I get my Pure Elise foundation from it for like $5. That is one of the main reasons I haven't actually canceled Boxycharm, because I like shopping those kind of sales and getting the beauty products that I do genuinely enjoy for a discounted price, whereas the actual monthly box is kind of underwhelming like 90% of the time. And it's fairly expensive now. It's about $49, $45, somewhere in there depending on the dollar for this box. So it used to be $21 for this entire box and now it's gone up by like 50%. So I pay
closer to $50 for this box now, and I've never really been that wowed by it. There's been a couple boxes where I'm like, holy shit, this is the best box ever, but that happens very rarely. So I would say this month's box was all right. I'm again not wowed by it. I'm kind of bored by it. It didn't really have any items that it makes me really excited to go play with makeup. I'm not going to use any of these items probably anytime soon. Maybe the palette, but other than the rest, I probably will just add those to my collection and I'll use them eventually. But I would say this month's box was kind of boring, but it was still full of makeup items, so at least there's that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.